Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix email tracking not working in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually make sure the domain you're trying to send an email to is not in the excluded domains list. So the way you find this out, you come to the left-hand panel, click on admin settings, and then you come here and you click on channels. And from channels, I want you to click on create contacts from email. Then just scroll down and make sure that email you're trying to send to that the tracking is not working for is not here. If it is under the excluded domains, okay, you will have an issue. Just remove that and save. Then what I want you to do next is I want you to just come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, click on personal settings, and then here under email, make sure this option was selected. Track, opens, and clicks. Okay, this is email tracking. And here under other email setting, make sure these are selected as well. Link emails to deal, link emails to contact. Make sure you save your changes, and then you can go ahead and create an email. So click here on send email, just a sample one. Then when you're sending your email, just make sure this one is selected. Track this email. And that is how to fix email tracking not working in Freshsales.